What's up, y'all? I'm going to give y'all 5 things you need to know before joining a HBCU dance team. Y'all could have told me I was sweating, but it's cool. All right, let's get into it. Number 1, do your research. Don't just join a team because you're like, oh, I want to dance and, you know, I want something to do on the side. Do your research. Because sis, if you a hip-hop dancer and you joining a team that does mainly ballet, or if you a ballet dancer and you're joining a team that does mainly hip-hop, make it make sense. Make it make sense. All right, number 2. Are you prepared for this dance team? Not saying that you have to be perfect or the best dancer, but are you prepared to do the work to get to where you want to be in the dance team and not be riding the bench all season? Because we know how that is. Number 3, are you financially prepared to join the team? Uniform, shoes, tights, field trips, makeup, hair. You got the money for that, sis? And a lot of times people either work or the team does offer fundraisers to help you, you know, pay for whatever you need to pay for. But make sure you keep that in mind before joining. Number 4, I think that's 4, right? 4 is 4. I hope so. Do you have time for what you're about to commit to? Do you have time? Are you in school? Do you have a job? Do you have kids? Are you helping take care of somebody else? Are you in other organizations? All of this stuff you have to think about before joining the dance team, because most of the time it's going to take up about 80% of your time. And cinco. Okay, y'all, I guess I speak Spanish now. You're a dancer, which means that you are now an athlete. Congratulations. Are you physically fit to endure what this team is about to give to you? Are you ready, sis? Stay tuned for part 2, and congratulations in advance for making the team.